Zirgam, tell us that when do we use this? What is in your hand, Zirgam? What is in your hand? Show me what is in your hand and say, what is that? Speak. Bolo.
This is pencil.
What did you say? This is a pencil, right? What did you say just now? This. Bolo.
This is pencil.
This is a pencil, right? So Zargam, you showed this pencil and you said this is a pencil. Why did you said this? Why didn't you said that? आपने this क्यों बोला? That क्यों नहीं बोला? Why did you said this?
जल्दी बता दो। क्योंकि मेरे पास है ये।
क्योंकि आपके पास वो है, आपके नियर है वो चीज, राइट? Because the pencil is near to you. Yes, everyone will listen to me. The pencil is near to me. The pencil, I'm holding it in my hand, so it is near to me, right? Now I will ask Jui. Jui, tell me, Jui. Jui's screen is frozen. Okay, I think she is having some network issue. Okay, VDT, tell me, VDT, I can see behind you, आपके पीछे, आप जहाँ पे बैठे हो उसके पीछे, there is one frame, there is one photo. What is that photo? What is that photo?
Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna.
Okay, so how you will tell me? How you will tell me when you will say? How you are going to tell me about that photo?
That is the Shri
Frame.
Krishna.
Very good. So you said that is a frame or that is a picture of Shri Krishna. Yes.
क्योंकि वो पार है, मतलब लंबा है.
Right. क्योंकि वो आपसे लंबा है ना, आप जहाँ पे बैठे हो, where you are sitting, it is far from your place, right? It is far from your place. So that's why you pointed and you said that that is a frame or that is a picture of Shri Krishna. Okay. So अभी आप सबको समझ में आया है? Have you all understood and remember the concept of these and that? Okay. Yes or no, children? These and that समझ में आया? Yesterday we did also one worksheet, right? In the class we did, right? Now again we will be sharing the screen and we will be again quickly revising about these and that. So as I said, the word these and that are demonstrative pronouns which is used for indicating something. Indicate करना मतलब point करना, point out करना, right? Which is used to indicate something. It means to point out something. इसका मतलब है होता है किसी चीज को हम point out करते हैं ना. When it is near, we say this, and when that thing is far and we point out, we say that. Okay, and that thing should be one. एक ही चीज होनी चाहिए, वो सिंगल होनी चाहिए. एक से ज्यादा हुई तो उसको क्या कहते हैं वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में सीखेंगे. But if that thing is one single, we say this when it is near, and if that thing is far, we say that. Okay, now we will see how it looks. Now someone or something, someone मतलब कोई person और something मतलब कोई object या फिर animal, something which is near in place or time. Okay, which is near in place. Children, just give me 1 second. There is someone on my door. Just give me 1 second. I'll just come right away.
टीचर आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
Okay, sorry for that, children. There was someone on my door, so that's why I have to go there. Okay, so now as I said that these matlab hota hai when you say or when you point out someone or something, matlab किसी person को या किसी चीज को when you point out matlab हाँ आप ऐसे हाथ दिखा के या फिर point out करते हो उसको जो near है, which is near, right, in place or time, that time we say this. Okay, you can look at the picture also. An apple is near to that person. This notebook, this paper bin, this stapler. Why we are saying this? Because they are near from us, right? They are near from us. This garbage box is also near from us. This stapler is also near from us, near to us. Okay. Now next is, when do we say that? When someone or something is far. Far मतलब दूर. Okay. Far मतलब दूर. ये आपने सीखा है मैथमेटिक्स में भी. Near, far, है ना? Distance सीखा है कि नहीं? Farthest, right? So when something or someone is far in place or time, right? हमसे वो चीज जो है या वो person है वो दूर है. That time we point out and we say that. Okay? इतना समझ में आया है हमको, right? Like you can see that notebook, क्योंकि वो far है ना, you can see the distance of the notebook from that person, it is far. So we say that notebook, that paper bin, and that stapler, because the distance is far. Now let's do some work now today. Okay, this we have already done, children. Yesterday we did this, right? ये हमने पहले किया हुआ है, कल किया हुआ था. Now what we are going to do is, please stop scribbling on the screen. देखो आप scribble करोगे तो फिर आपको spelling समझ में नहीं आएगी. Just give me 1 second. Don't touch the screen again and again. Okay. So now, children, what you have to do is, this you will do it on your own. This you will do it on your own, but this we will do afterwards, later on. Okay. Now what DJ is going to do is, I want everyone to be ready with your textbook. Navneet textbook. Chalo, Navneet textbook nikalo, sab log. Everyone will remove their Navneet textbook. And number 29. Page number 29. Everyone is having Navneet book? Yes.
इंग्लिश बुक निकालनी है.
हाँ, इंग्लिश बुक निकालनी है बेटा. इंग्लिश की जो नवनीत टेक्स्ट बुक है ना वो निकालनी है. ठीक है. And in that you have to remove page number 29. Okay, and everyone will be on mute. I can still hear some sound. Ananya, you have to be on mute. Pari, you have to be on mute. And yes, good job, children. Good class. Okay. Now page number 29 sabne nikala. I'll stop sharing. Let me see how many of you are ready with page number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sabne nikala hai page number 29. Chirag, have you removed page number 29? Show
Yes,
me.
Didi.
Yes. Very good, very good. Okay. Now I'm going to share on the screen. जिनके पास book नहीं है, right? Those who are not having any book, right? Didi is sharing on the screen, so we will do this together. You can note down it in your notebook. Okay. Now read the clues and guess the places. Read the clues and guess the places. Now here you have to look at the picture. 1, 1. Okay, you can see यहाँ पे देखो 1, picture number 1, and here is also picture number 1. Okay. So I will read this. Okay. You don't read, I will read. Okay. You just understand what Didi is reading. This is zebra crossing. That is a traffic light. Now why Didi is saying this is a zebra crossing? because you can see the girl is walking and this zebra crossing is near to her, right? So this is a zebra crossing and that is a traffic light. Why that? क्यों that बोल रही है दीदी? Why not this? Why Didi is saying that is a traffic light? Who will tell me? Vihan, tell me why Didi is saying. Wait. Vihan, tell me. Vihan, tell me why Didi is saying that. Why not this? Yes, because this traffic signal is far. Okay, दूर है. Traffic lights जो है, it is far. So where am I? तो मैं कहाँ पे हो सकती हूँ? What could be this place? Guess this place. ये कौन सा place हो सकता है where you will find zebra crossing as well as traffic lights? I will ask this. Yes, Vihan. Rasta. Okay. So Vihan, what do we call to rasta? Rasta को हम क्या कहते हैं? Rasta. Others will be on you.
हमको हम क्रॉस करते हैं.
Very good. Very good. It's a road. Yes, it's a road and we are crossing this road. Okay. Chirag, now be on mute, beta. Be on mute. Yes, you said correct. It's a road and we are crossing this road. Okay. Now we will look at the second picture. This is the ticket counter. I can still hear. I'm going to stop sharing, children, because I can still hear some noise. This is a ticket counter and that is a plane. So when I say this is a ticket counter means what? It is near to me, right? That's why I'm saying this is a ticket counter and there is only one counter. So that's why I'm saying this. This is a ticket counter and look at the second picture again. That is a plane. So the plane is near or far? It is. Devansh, the plane is near or far? Tell me whether it is near or far. Far. Very good. So it is far. So that's why I'm saying that is a plane. Now Gunjan will tell me what is this place. Gunjan, देखो आपको ticket counter is also there and there is a plane also. तो ये क्या हो सकता है? कौन सी जगह हो सकती है? Airport. Okay, is your name Gunjan? I will stop sharing now. Is your name Gunjan, child? No, your name is not Gunjan, na? I have asked the question to Gunjan. Gunjan, tell me what could be this place? गुंजन बताएंगे कौन सा प्लेस हो सकता है ये एंड यू हैव टू बी क्विक चिल्ड्रन. आप बोलते हैं. वेरी गुड. एयरपोर्ट. वेरी गुड. एयरपोर्ट. Wait. You have to give children, you have to give answers in the chat box. You will not speak in middle. अभी कोई भी बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. You will write answers in the chat box. ठीक है? No one will give orally answers. I want to see all the answers in the chat box. Understood? Okay, so it is airport. Now, Edie will be sharing the screen again. Now you have to remove your page number 30. Page number 30. Okay? Now tell me. Page number 30 and please be on mute. Please be on mute. Yes. Now here what you have to do is, here there are the blank spaces. यहाँ पे blank spaces है. You will write whether it is this or that. Okay? Chalo, come on. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do this. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do this, and then we will take the round of answers. Okay? Then Didi will ask you what you have written. So I'm giving you 5 minutes for this. In your textbook, you will write. Everyone will open their textbook, page number 30, and will solve this on their own. ये जो है ना, where am I? ये आप नहीं बोलेंगे. You don't do this. We will do it together. You just have to write this or that. क्या है this or that? Look at the picture and write this or that. I will read it for you. Dash is a train. Dash is a train. You can look at the picture, write whether it is this or that. That dash is a train. Dash is a clock. What you will write here? Chalo, write, come on. Dash is a train. Dash is a clock. You just have to write this or that. In your textbook, you will write. Then we will move on to question number 4. Dash is a train. Dash clock. आपको लिखना है बेटा this लिखना है या फिर that लिखना है. पिक्चर देख के आपको लिखना है this लिखेंगे या that लिखेंगे. What you will write here? Dash is a train. What you will write here? This लिखेंगे या that लिखेंगे? Ruturaj, tell me what you will write here. Chalo, help your friends. What you are going to write?
This.
This. Okay. This. Okay. So let me just a second.
That.
One will say.
That.
This is a train. Okay. This is a train.
This is a that. Papa.
Right? So you write this.
याला इकडं असं करायचं याला असं करायचं
And that is a clock.
That is a train. That is a clock.
Ruturaj, be on mute now. Okay.
Clock.
Now next 4 picture. Picture number 4. Dash is a student. Okay, so what I will write here? What I should write here? Pranika, what should I write?
Dash is a student.
That is a student लिखूंगी मैं. These, very good. I can still hear. Ruturaj, please be on mute. आप mute पे क्यों नहीं हो? Okay, so here I will write. Here I am going to write. Aryan, tell me what should I write here? Dash is a teacher. Dash is a student.
This is the student.
Very good, Aryan. Very good. Now next I will ask Disha Thakur. Tell me what should I write here? Dash is a teacher. What should I write here? Disha Thakur, be quick. Dash is a that. Yes, very good. I will write that is a student. Done? Now I will ask I will ask Ananya, what I will write here? Dash is a watering can. Look at the watering can. What I will write here? Should I write this or that?
This is watering can. Watering can.
Very good, Ananya. This is a watering can. Very good. Now I will ask, Shalvi, what should I write here? Dash is a plant. Dash is a plant. Shall we say, what should I write here? These likho ya that likho?
I don't know what to hold it. That is the plant.
That is the plant. Very good. Okay, now Pari, you will tell me. Pari, aap batayenge. You can see a person is reading here. Okay, so dash is a book. What should I write here? Pari, Pari, tell me what should I write here? Pari, what should I write here, beta? Should I write this or that?
This. Ma'am, this.
This. Yes, because it is near, na? So I will write this is a book. Okay. And then what should I write here? You can see this thing, it is far, na?
This.
Dash is a bookshelf. It's a shelf, bookshelf hai ye. So what should I write here? These or that? I will ask this to, just a second. Zargam, tell me what should I write here? That. Very good. That. Very good. So I will write that. So now everyone, you will write this in your textbook. Chalo. Write this in your textbook fast. You will click a photograph and you will see
my turn.
You will click a photograph later on and you will put it on the group.
Didi.
Okay, so the first picture, the third picture, was of airport. Yes, Aryan, thank you. Now, what was this third picture? Where am I? If there is a train, there is a clock. What should be this picture of? कहाँ की ये place? कहाँ का जगह है ये?
80. AH80. A बनाओ फिर से.
Very good. Very good. It is a railway station. Okay. Now, what is this picture? This is a student and this is a class teacher.
Classroom.
Very good. The classroom. It's a smart classroom. Okay. Now this is a watering can. हाँ, yes, Gunjan. अब बताओ ये watering can है और ये plant है, तो क्या हो सकता है ये?
Plant. It is a plant. That. लिखो that the. T लिखो जल्दी से.
If I say this is a plant and this that is a plant and this is a watering can, then what it could be? ये क्या हो सकता है? मैं ये चीजें कहाँ पे यूज करती हूँ? वाटरिंग कैन और प्लांट्स कहाँ पे होते हैं? गार्डन. ओके, इट्स अ गार्डन.
गार्डन में.
वेरी गुड, गार्डन में होते हैं. वेरी गुड. अच्छा, Now tell me,
भी होते हैं।
गमले में भी होते हैं, राइट? तो ये गमला ही है बेटा।
Balcony.
बालकनी में भी होते हैं, yes, very good. It could be a balcony, it could be a garden. Very good, children. Now you tell me, this is a person who is reading a book and this is a bookshelf. तो ये क्या हो सकती है?
Library.
Very good, library.
Library.
Very good,
Library.
very good. So now everyone will